So a new hands-on video of the upcoming Motorola Edge 70 Max has leaked, and according to the video, the Edge 70 Max adopts a completely flat front panel and a boxy aluminum frame, giving it a much more modern flagship appearance. The glossy glass back also replaces the vegan leather finishes seen on older Edge models. The device also has a square camera module that houses a dual camera setup instead of a triple camera system previously rumored. Another standout feature is the dedicated Moto AI button located on the left side of the frame. This hardware key provides instant access to Motorola's on-device Kira AI assistant for tasks like live translation, contextual searches, and AI-powered photo editing. And in terms of specs, the Moto Edge 70 Max is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB UFS 4.1 storage. The phone also features a built-in cooling system, which is nice. The display is equally impressive, featuring a 6.82-inch Quad HD LTPO AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, and a staggering peak brightness of about 7,000 nits. Battery life is one of the device's main selling points. The device features a massive 7100 mAh silicon carbon battery, and charging is handled by 90 watts TurboPower wire charging, and the device also features 25 watts magnetic wireless charging system. It's the first Android phone to have this feature, in case you're not aware. For cameras, as I said earlier, the device features a dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP Sony Lichia 710 main sensor with OIS and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens that doubles as a macro shooter. And the device has a 32MP front-facing camera capable of native 4K video recording. Other features include an in-display fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, stereo speakers, and that's about it. Now, in terms of price, the device is expected to retail for about $600 or maybe $650, but currently there are no official details regarding its price, so this is just based on speculation. Take it with a pinch of salt. So these are the top details of the upcoming Motorola Edge 70 Max. The device is expected to drop on July 15th. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.